Welcome. I am Niveda Shiju. Information Technology Individual Project 1. Situation of economic sector before and after COVID-19. Certificate. Acknowledgement. Introduction. Coronavirus or COVID-19 as it is officially known has brought everyday life of human beings to a standstill. Due to the pandemic, all the economic sectors has been highly affected. Impact of COVID-19 on different sectors of economy. Almost all sectors of economy has been affected by COVID-19. Some of the mostly affected sectors of economy are education sector, health sector, tourism sector, banking sector and transportation sector. Education sector. What is education sector? It is a group of institutions. Its primary purpose is to provide education to children and young people. Situation of education sector before COVID-19. Everything was organized. Students in both schools and colleges experience each and everything with their teachers directly. Many physical activities, entertainment activities, regular exams and test papers, results on time. Students enjoyed their school lives. After COVID-19, the situation changed. It affected education system worldwide. Schools and colleges were closed. Main exams were cancelled. Classes and exams started through online. Negative impact on teachers and families. Students are not used to online classes, therefore they feel tough to catch the portions up to date. Whole education system started depending on internet, and this affected many students due to lack of availability of the internet devices. This is a chart of total number of students affected by COVID-19 in India. Healthcare sector. What is healthcare sector? It is an economic sector which provides goods and services to treat patients with curative, preventive, rehabilitative and palliative care. Before COVID-19, the situation of healthcare sector. There were sufficient facilities in hospitals, sufficient oxygen for patients, sufficient rooms in hospitals. Most of the surgeries were done during that time. After COVID-19, the situation of healthcare sector. Insufficient rooms and beds in hospitals. Insufficient oxygen for patients in hospitals. Increase in working time of doctors, nurses and staffs. They have a tough time. Work rate and the responsibility of the health workers is increasing by day. Now only major operations were held because of the COVID issues. Tourism sector. What is tourism sector? It is a set of industries which facilitate by providing infrastructure and products and services and make possible traveling to places of leisure and business interests. Before COVID-19, the situation of tourism sector. For traveling to any country, there were no any restrictions. Food and accommodation, everything was organized. Tourism was a high profitable sector. Its growth was rapid. After COVID-19, the situation changed. The mostly affected sector was tourism sector. Many restrictions and formalities for traveling to any place. Borders of many states and countries were fully closed. Arrival of tourists fell by 72%. Now it becomes non-profitable sector. This is the data on international tourist arrivals in 2020 January to October. This is the information collected by United Nations World Tourism Organization on a global survey among its panel of tourism experts on the impact of COVID-19 on tourism and the expected time of recovery. Banking sector. What is banking sector? It is an industry and a section of the economy devoted to the holding of financial assets for others and investing those financial assets as a leveraged way to create more wealth. Before COVID-19, the situation of banking sector. There were a lot of deposits from NRI. Repayment of loans were currently above average. Many loans were available. Direct interactions between bank and customers. After COVID-19, the situation changed. Deposits from NRI decreased. Other deposits also decreased due to the fall of business market. Repayment of loans were decreasing. Availability of loans is lesser than earlier. Online or internet banking. Transportation sector. What is transportation sector? It is a category of companies that provide services to move people or goods, as well as transportation infrastructure. Situation of transportation sector before COVID-19. There were regular transport of products. All ways of transportation were available. No strict restrictions for transportation. Companies such as airlines, trucking, railroads, shipping, etc. were fully open. Regular delivery services. %40 of people use bus, 30% of people use cycle, 15% of people use walking, 10% of people use scooter and 5% of people use car for their transportation. After COVID-19, the situation of transportation sector. Only some ways of transportation are available. Delay in transport of goods and products. Strict restrictions for transportation. Many transportation companies are closed. Delay in delivery services. Many laws for transportation sector. Conclusion. All the sectors are highly affected due to this pandemic. Many lockdowns are announced recently due to the high risk of catching or spreading coronavirus. Recently, we started the vaccination of COVID-19 for older peoples and adults. The whole world hopes that we can overcome this situation and get a better future. Reference: Economy and COVID-19 effects on different sectors of Indian economy. Impact of COVID-19 pandemic on education, Wikipedia. Economic sectors, Wikipedia. Impact of COVID-19 on economic sectors of India, Wikipedia. Thank you.